What legal mistakes happen when firing protected class employees? Imagine losing a job and then realizing it might have been because of something you shouldn't have considered. That's what happens when employers make legal mistakes during employee termination. When firing someone, especially if they belong to a protected class, mistakes can lead to serious legal trouble. Protected classes include age over 40, race, color, national origin, religion, sex including pregnancy, gender identity, sexual orientation, disability, genetic information, citizenship, and veteran status. If an employer fires an employee because of any of these traits, it's considered discrimination and is against federal and state laws. One common mistake is firing an employee because they belong to a protected class. For example, dismissing someone because they are over 40 or belong to a certain race violates laws like the Civil Rights Act or the Age Discrimination in Employment Act. Even implying or hinting at reasons related to protected traits can be seen as discrimination. Another mistake is retaliating against an employee for protected activities. If an employee files a complaint about discrimination, asks for accommodations, reports misconduct, or blows the whistle, firing them afterward can be illegal. Retaliation claims are quite common and can be costly for businesses. Firing an employee for taking legally protected leave is also a legal mistake. Laws like the Family and Medical Leave Act protect employees from being fired for taking leave for serious health issues or family emergencies. If an employer fires someone for using this leave, it's wrongful termination. Failing to follow proper procedures can also cause legal issues. If an employer skips documenting performance problems, doesn't follow disciplinary steps, or ignores company policies, it can look like discrimination. Proper documentation and following policies help protect against wrongful claims. Reviewing employee records thoroughly before termination is important. If an employer overlooks previous complaints or protected status, they might accidentally discriminate or face retaliation claims. Employers should carefully evaluate all relevant information to ensure the decision is fair and legal. Decisions based on criminal history must also be handled carefully. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission provides guidelines to ensure criminal background checks are relevant to the job and applied consistently. Disparate treatment based on criminal history can lead to legal trouble. To avoid these mistakes, employers should review reasons for termination carefully, making sure no protected traits influence the decision. Document performance issues clearly and follow company policies. Training managers and HR staff on employment laws is essential. Consulting legal counsel before firing someone in a protected class can help confirm compliance. Communicating the decision factually and avoiding references to protected traits or activities is also key. By respecting these legal boundaries, employers can reduce the chance of wrongful termination claims and treat all employees fairly.